In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pitch.com. Let's dive right in. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Pitch.com. Once the web page loads, you'll see the site's homepage. Here, focus your attention on the top right corner of the screen where you'll spot the Login button. Click on it to proceed to the next step. You should now be faced with a screen that provides a few options for signing in. For this tutorial, we'll keep it simple by choosing the Continue with Google method. This option allows you to log in using your Google account, which is convenient and saves you the hassle of creating yet another username and password. By selecting this, you grant Pitch access to some basic information from your Google account, helping streamline your login experience. Once you click on Continue with Google, a pop-up window will likely appear, showcasing a list of your Google accounts. Here, choose the account you'd like to log in with. If you don't see your desired account right away, there's usually an option to add it manually. Select your account and move forward. After choosing your account, you might see a prompt asking you to confirm your selection and allow certain permissions. Click on the Continue button to proceed. This is a simple confirmation step to ensure you're happy with linking these accounts. Next, you'll encounter a page that presents the terms and conditions for using Pitch. It's important to review these details to understand what you're agreeing to. Once you've read them, click on the checkbox to indicate your agreement with the terms. This step is crucial for both legal adherence and to ensure you're on the same page with how your data is handled. Following your agreement, click on the next Continue button. This will guide you to the onboarding process, where you'll set up your workspace. Pitch.com will prompt you to fill in some basic details. It's a straightforward process that should only take a moment of your time. Think of it as laying the foundation for the projects you'll handle using Pitch. After you complete the setup, hit the final Continue button, which will officially subscribe your account, allowing full access to all that Pitch.com has to offer. And there you have it, you're all set up on Pitch.com, ready to start exploring its presentation tools and features. By following these steps, you now have everything you need to make full use of Pitch.com's capabilities. Whether you're looking to create stunning presentations for work or personal projects, you now have the platform at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.